Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the shape in units because mismatched units ruin answers. Measure length, width, and height in the same unit. If any measure is mixed, convert now. Once done, write the correct formula. For rectangular prisms, use V equals L times W times H. For cylinders, use V equals pi R2H. Also note if values are whole numbers or fractions. Convert 1/4 or 1/2 to decimals, only if that makes multiplication easier. Next, perform the arithmetic step by step so you can check work. Multiply length by width first, then multiply that product by height. For triangular prisms, compute base area first, then multiply by height. When fractions appear, multiply numerators and denominators, then simplify. For circles, use pi consistently, either 3, 14 or the calculator pi key, and always attach the cubic unit, for example cm3. If rounding, round at the end to keep accuracy. Finish by writing the final value with units, and round only after completing each calculation. This preserves precision. Then estimate. Imagine a box that size to see if the number is reasonable, and compare to simpler products to catch big mistakes. If your result seems off, check conversions first, then confirm you used vertical height and not a slanted measurement. One troubleshooting tip: if numbers are absurd, recheck unit conversion, and whether you used radius versus diameter in circle formulas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.